How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the Ticker Feed channel and welcome to the Ticker Feed family. So today we're going to be talking about the ticker symbol SOS, and so I'm going to be specifically talking about the company and what their services are. Also, how SOS Limited installs second batch of 5,000 cryptocurrency miners and gives first quarter mining projections, and then last, a chart analysis / price prediction. So guys, as always, I really do appreciate you tuning into this video. I'm super excited to talk about this company, and leave a comment down below if you own this company, if you're thinking about buying it, or whatever the case is. Again, welcome to the Ticker Feed family, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, company profile for SOS Limited. So SOS is a high-tech company with AI blockchain as the core technology. Okay, now they are headquartered in China. Now the company provides customers with rescue, big data, trade, digital asset management, and other information technology services through the AI block technology plus satellite communication. It is currently listed on the New York Exchange, like we talked about, as SOS. Now, it focuses on big data accumulation, cloud computing. So the SOS Cloud Emergency Rescue Services platform dominated by three products: Basic Cloud, which is medical rescue, automobile rescue, financial rescue, and rescue mutual aid card. Then you have Cooperative Cloud, which is information rescue center, intelligent big data, intelligent software and hardware, and then Information Cloud, which is news today, e-commerce today. Now it provides information security services and marketing related data, technology, and solutions for emergency rescue services such as insurance, finance, medical care, health, automobile safety and mutual aids, and builds an international efficient rescue service system by driving big data with technology. Great company, great foundation. Let's continue to look through this company. Specifically, what I wanted to point out before we start talking about the 5,000 cryptocurrency miners is that this company is extremely diversified, which I like. I mean, this company is awesome. So literally, they do have emergency medical consultation. So first aid instruction, platinum 10 minutes, daily medical consultation before the diagnostics. Right? Then you've got health advice, the professional knowledge of medicine and related disciplines. Then you go to emergency living service. When you encounter a variety of difficulties in life, they can be ready to provide you with a variety of life rescue services. So for me personally, I take that like to the heart. I really like that they have the type of access where they can help somebody when they're really in need. And it's not just something, you know, some simple service. This is somebody's life. So I really do appreciate something like that. Then you've got the safety emergency rescue, right? So for the elderly and the children. Then you go to road rescue. The rescue center helps customers tow and rescue their vehicles to designated repair sites and provides services such as power connection, water addition, and emergency repair and rescue. I mean, I've been on the road more than once, and so when you can just give somebody a call, if you don't have the opportunity, or for some reason you just can't fix whatever the case is on, you know, particular part of the car, if it's the engine, the belt, whatever the case is, then this is huge. Then you've got financial bailout. When customers are in urgent need of financial rescue, the Financial Rescue Center can provide them with various financial credit services, right? So the list just goes on. And so again, I just wanted to point that out. So if you don't own this company, or if you're thinking about owning this company, hopefully this brings added value for you to be able to make that decision. Now let's go ahead and look at the 5,000 cryptocurrency miners. Okay, so cryptocurrency is a big deal. I mean, everybody's talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I thought this was perfect timing for what's going on with SOS. So now, March 15, 2021 announced that they have successfully installed its second fleet of 5,000 cryptocurrency mining rigs. Together with its prior fleet of 5,000 mining rigs, the company expects the combined fleet to have the capacity to calculate an average of 353 petahasher per second, or pH divided by S, for mining Bitcoin, and SOS gigahashes per second, GH/S, for mining Ether, ETH. This hash rates are subject to numerous factors, including downtime for maintenance, reconfiguration, and other variable factors that may materially impact computing performance in the future. Now, if you don't remember, the company also announced that on February 24, 2021, it was awarded its first Bitcoin from successful mining activities. So, the chairman commented that this is a significant milestone for the company. To memorialize this event, SOS is creating a gold coin that will serve as tangible representation of the first mined Bitcoin. They anticipate that this will be the first of many future mining successes as they continue to execute or cryptocurrency mining strategy. Now, with that being said, the company's board of directors also commissioned an independent review of the company's cryptocurrency mining activities. As part of the review, payments from multiple mining pools were traced to SOS through the public Bitcoin and ETH blockchain ledgers. The review also validated SOS control over certain electronic wallets, that the rate of Bitcoin and ETH payouts received in these wallets was generally consistent with the expected productivity of the company's deployed fleet based on its hash rate capacity. Now, the company expects to generate at least 41 Bitcoins and 909 ETH in the first quarter of 2021, based on various assumptions relating to the downtime for its fleet, worldwide hash power, and other operating conditions. Now, the CEO elaborated, "These expected mining results reflect only a partial quarter of operations, since our current fleet of mining rigs was only recently installed during the first quarter. Their output should grow in future quarters as they receive and install their third quarter batch of mining rigs and have a full quarter of operations for their current rigs." So these mining results do not include any financial results for the company and do not address the company's non-mining operations, such as the company's marketing data, technology, and solutions for emergency rescue services. The United States generally accepted accounting principles for cryptocurrency mining are complex, emerging, and uncertain. Cryptocurrencies may not be recognized as cash, but with that being said, clearly they've brought value into this sector, right? And so this is a major deal. So again, I mean, here they are trying to help save people's lives, and then at the same time, they've also have another department that's able to do cryptocurrency. So this is a massive deal, and so I'm super excited about this because again, they're so diversified. It's like, what do you not like about the company? So again, this pumps me up, and this is exactly what I want to see. So now that I let you know what was going on with the latest news, hopefully that brings, again, added value for you to make whichever decision that you're trying to do. So here, let's go ahead and look at the chart. Okay, so with SOS, currently it's at $7.15 or 12.38% down. But again, you have to think about it with the current market, it's still trying to correct itself. So multiple companies are in the red, right? Now we do have the stimulus that, you know, this package is coming out this week, or it just started coming out this past weekend. And so that might change that red to green. So we'll have to see what the future brings. Now looking at the ticker, the trend itself, as you can see, it's floating around at between $7 and almost roughly $8, but maybe $7.50 really. So the 52-week high was $15.88 with the 52-week low of 51 cents. So awesome volume, and that's exactly what I want to see. Now you can see that clearly there is a resistance, which, you know, was roughly around the $8 range. And so keep that in mind because it is staying stable, and so I think that's good. But just remember the fundamentals of the company itself. This is a really good company that has, again, a wide variety of services. And so when you're in the cryptocurrency and you're saving people's lives, sign me up. That is awesome. Now, again, I'm not a financial advisor, but personally, when I'm looking at this company and just analyzing it, I've got 2 thumbs up. I think it's a really good company, and it's nothing but positive information for me. So I like to do this on a day-to-day basis, and so when I see something like this, again, it gets me pretty excited. So I hope this was able to bring added value for you. I really hope that you were able to gather some stuff from this. So leave a comment down below if you actually own this stock, if you're thinking about buying this stock again, or whatever the case is. But I really do appreciate you for taking the time to listen to this video. And as always, welcome to the Ticker Feed family.